Hi everyone. Becoming a data scientist require a combination of technical and soft skills. Okay, so here I am telling you some steps so that you could become a good data scientist. Firstly, try to learn programming languages. Look, data science actually requires a solid foundation in programming language such as Python, R, SQL. Okay, so here start learning with one language at a time and then expand your knowledge as you progress. Okay, secondly, try to learn the stats and the mathematics. Data science actually involve working with data, so it is really very important to have a good understanding of statistics and the mathematics. Try to learn the concepts such as probability, linear algebra, calculus, and some statistical inference also. Okay. Thirdly, try to gain knowledge in data manipulation and the visualization. Okay, learn how to extract, clean, and transform the data, and also learn how to use some visualization tool to present data in a meaningful way. Okay. Fourthly, try to gain knowledge in machine learning because machine learning is a critical skill for the data scientist. So try to learn about different algorithms, model selection, and evaluation techniques also. Okay. My fifth suggestion would be try to participate in some projects and the challenges. Okay, because participating in data science project and challenges will definitely build your skills and gain experience. Okay, and these project will definitely help you out for building your portfolio, and even you can demonstrate your skills to your potential employers also. Okay. Sixthly, try to build a strong network, which is really very important. Attend data science events, join online communities, and even connect with other data scientists to build your potential skills. And my last suggestion would be like, which is really very important, pursue some additional important education. Look, consider pursuing some additional education such as master degree in data science or some certification which actually fulfilled by the data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, because these program can provide you with additional knowledge and skill that is actually help you to stand out of your potential employers. Okay, and you should remember one thing, that becoming a data scientist is actually a continuous process of learning and your growth. So keep building your skills, stay up to date with the latest tool, latest technologies, and never ever stop learning. Okay. So hope you guys like my suggestion and just follow it. You will definitely become a good data scientist. Okay. Bye bye.